Alright, here we are. Gus's fried chicken for famous. And we're gonna grab our order. Our open right now. Normally this place would be packed though. We're kinda quiet now. There's a Segway. I'm guessing it's the Segway cops. It's the only Segway I know. Segways are so old, Jesus.
Now I'm walking to the Kooky at least for a little while. I'll probably end up back to Airbnb pretty soon.
Now, a smart person will lock up. I'm not smart. I'm just fast.
You normally age them. Yeah, the other.
I'm picking up an order for Maurice. Maurice G. Thank you. And we are now good to go. Like I said, I'm not smart, I'm fast. There's a difference. So let's get this order up to... Oh, this is not that bad. Explain why it's kind of close. It's one of those funny spots. We're looking at 3 bars of battery. Can keep it 3rd gear. Dual motor milk the whole entire way. Honestly, I think I should follow the way Yogi Steve does. He does slow to the place of the food and then fast to the customer. That saves some battery, saves some power, saves some time. I can only go up to like 20 miles per hour. I can still get deliveries done in a timely manner. 98% of my orders are fast, very fast, and the only 2% that weren't fast were the ones where I lost the ability to ride my green scooter for a little while. And that I'm still working on fixing, and I can't wait to show you guys what it's like to ride with that up on Uber Eats. So, yep, brake check. Brakes are good. Still sitting at 3 bars. And we're going to go ahead and navigate. We're going to use the maps because it's in a funny spot that I've got to check out myself. I need to make sure I'm out of the vehicle's ways because they can turn into the driveway at any given point in time. We're looking at decent battery power. Also, I'm going to try and follow another Yogi Steve rule, which is oh, the phone's gonna glitch. Like I said, I'm gonna follow another Yogi Steve rule where I can film myself doing work when there's none. Okay, it's a 7-minute ride to South Forum. Let's go. Okay, so it wants me to help. Alright. Down south front. Oh shoot, I should hurry up. Fudge! I should hurry up. Should hurry up. It's raining. Damn it. I knew it was gonna rain. Should hurry up because I can't be having the scooter. It's supposed to rain. If it's supposed to rain, it might cause trouble. No rain. It ain't gonna rain on me. No, it ain't gonna rain on me. No, it ain't gonna rain on me. So it ain't no rain on me. I need to know where I'm going. Where am I going? I don't recognize that place. Where is that? Make it right at Just once again. Come on, come on. I can't let it rain. I can't let it rain. I can't let it rain. It ain't gonna rain on me. No, it ain't gonna rain on me. It ain't gonna rain on some of your things. It ain't gonna rain on me. It's gonna take some time. I gotta stop the video again.